Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to give a quick rundown for anyone who is new to the community or is wondering what this is. This community is called the Empire. It was created by the community itself. It just kind of started calling it that. So welcome to the Empire. I'm Jeremy, or DiNusty. I'm a senior environment artist with 10 years of experience. The goal here is to give you guys a resource that you guys can utilize to better yourselves as quickly as possible so that you can get into the industry as quickly as possible. I stream Mondays and Thursdays for 2 hours each, and then those get archived onto this YouTube channel. And then there's also portfolio reviews on Thursdays and Discord critiques. Portfolio reviews are usually about 30 minutes, and Discord critiques are about an hour, which I get through maybe like between 10 and 15 people. And then we have the Discord community, which is super good. Like, everyone is so active in there. It's great. We have 1,000 people now. Heavy discussions on art related content, technical questions, a place to relax, art critiques by everyone. Like, people will say things, which is good. It's great. And then I also run a 30-day challenge that resets on the 15th or the 16th each month, which is either a prop, a weapon, or a substance material. And it's just to try and get you to either outside of your comfort zone or to break out of your the artist block. And yeah, that's basically it. There's this YouTube channel which basically archives all of the stuff. And yeah, I made this for you guys. I wish I had this when I was learning video game art creation. So, cheers to you guys. I'll see you on the stream.